Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Gourmet, and today we're preparing stuffed brinjal. So let's have a look at the ingredients. We've taken half kg brinjal and we've slit it into four. We've also taken onion, fresh coconut, coriander, 1 tomato, ginger, garlic, and we have some masalas, that is coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, jeera, kanda lasun masala, and some oil. So let's start preparing. So we'll first now start making the base of masala. So we've taken a tawa and we'll fry the onions till they are brown. We'll also add some coconut. We'll fry until the color changes. So you can see that the onion and the coconut is changing the color. We've also added 2 tablespoons of oil while frying this. So you can see it's changed, and now we'll add the jeera. And we'll also add the ginger and garlic, and we'll fry this again for 2 to 3 minutes. So the masala is now ready, and we'll grind this into a fine paste. So we've grinded the masala into a fine paste, and also heated a kadhai, and we'll add some oil into it. Now we'll add all these masalas into the coconut and onion, ginger, garlic paste. We'll add coriander powder, red chili, kanda lasun masala, and turmeric. We had already added salt into the masala while we were grinding. Now we'll mix this well. Now we'll add mustard and jeera into the oil. And some hing. And we'll start stuffing the brinjals one by one. And we'll put it in the oil. So you can see we've stuffed all the brinjals and we've put it in the kadhai, and we'll fry them for a minute or two. We've chopped some coriander and put it into the remaining masala. Fry them properly on both the sides. Now we'll add the masala, the remaining masala, and we'll fry that as well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's been 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll add the tomatoes. Now we'll lower the heat and we'll let the tomatoes cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So it's been 3 to 4 minutes and the tomatoes are still getting cooked. Now we'll add 1 glass of water and we'll let the brinjals cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see it's been 15 minutes and the stuffed brinjal is ready, and you can either have this with chapati or bread of your choice. Now let's plate this up. Hope you have liked this recipe and I know you would definitely try this. Do let us know in the comments section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified for the new recipes. See you soon with another delectable and yummy recipe, and until then, happy gourmet.